empathy and compassion. As you learn by now in your own personal healing journey how to have empathy and compassion for yourself, understanding and accepting that you did the best decision that you could in that moment for who you used to be, now guess what? Same is valid for the person in front of you. And I personally have very little empathy and compassion for fully developed adults, in their 40s, 50s and such, that they behave like little children. So while I could sit here and have a judgment about it, just giving myself as an example, right? I could also understand that they never did the healing work. I could also be open to having a conversation about it to understand where they're coming from. So now, that being said, it's up to me to decide if I want to date this person, if I want to be their partner, their romantic partner, or if I want to be their coach and help them in the healing, or if I want to be both. So do you see how this is intertwined with my personal journey, my self-reflection, my personal journey of healing? It has to do with my personal boundaries. Like, I get to decide who do I date. So it's coming down to really having an open mind and an open heart to understand where this person is coming from. Because it's not easy to be vulnerable, right? It's not easy to admit that we don't know something, or we haven't developed a skill yet, or we are still in pain, or we are still dealing with some past trauma. So again, in order to create safety in a relationship, we need to hold the other person through their vulnerability. How we do that? With empathy and compassion.